Hey there, fellow online enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips to keep you safe and savvy. Today, we're diving into something super important: how to enable two-factor authentication on your PayPal account. If you're handling money online, you know security isn't just a nice-to-have, it's essential. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a second form of verification beyond just your password. It's like having a bouncer at the door of your account. First things first, make sure you're logged into your PayPal account on a secure device. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. That's your gateway to all the security goodies. Now, navigate to the Security section. Look for the option that says Two-Step Verification, or something similar. It might be under Login and Security. Click on that, and you'll see the option to set it up. PayPal typically offers a few methods, like using an authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator, or receiving codes via text message. I recommend the app for better security, but choose what works for you. Once you've selected your method, follow the on-screen prompts. If you're going with the app, you'll need to scan a QR code with your phone. Then, enter the verification code it generates to confirm everything's working. PayPal might ask you to verify your identity one more time, so have your details ready. And just like that, you're all set. Enabling 2FA usually takes less than 5 minutes, but it could save you from a world of headaches down the line. Remember, the more secure your accounts, the more peace of mind you get. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.